Me me papa no. Me mommy no more. Why say any more outside Ghana. Me pese me de akwanya iso. Ada obi biara opwa me ewo mauchi imo. Amani etu imi. Enye obia ana asem wetu otimi yi ni ho fi. Me pese me da Nyankopon ase. Se watimi eyi me etie me mpaibo eyi me fi asem we mu. Me pese me da Nyankopon ase se we yi me fi asem we mu. Pese me da me papa eye president Nana Akufo-Addo ase. So no so me nuanu media fo and me fans match the sending petition. A man no one look it down on me. Na otie me. Na Attorney General Subesomu. Na omunya omutie me. No mutie me Bible. No mutimi ye me fi anu ye him because I say why I become no.
All right. Okay, so let's leave it here for the time being, and then maybe some other time.
Maybe just a question. What was it like being in prison?
No.